Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shreya Gupta. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you the fashion essentials that you should invest in so that they can last you for long run, irrespective of what trend is going on. So before going to the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the very first thing that each and every one of you should invest in is a basic t-shirts. Like for say you black and white t-shirt. So I'm saying that you should invest in a good quality t-shirt so that they can last you for long run. I personally like the brand H&M and Zara for the t-shirts, so I suggest you to buy a good quality t-shirt, because if you buy the low budget t-shirt, they lose their shapes after few washes and it won't look nice on you. So I in my opinion, you should invest in a good pair of t-shirt, especially black and white t-shirt, so that you can style it style it in so many ways. Second essential you must invest in is shoes. In my opinion, you should have a good pair of white sneaker and a sports shoes as well, so that you can style them in so many ways. White shoes you can style, white sneakers you can style in so many ways. I don't even tell you how many ways you can style a white sneakers. So invest in a good pair of white sneakers, like from Adidas or some any other brand, but don't buy the cheap one like जो रोड साइड पे मिलते हैं. आप वो परचेज मत करना, स्पेशली वाइट कलर का, बिकॉज वो अलग से दिख जाता है. एक तो लो बजट है, एंड द थिंग इज़ कि वो ना कंफर्टेबल भी नहीं रहता. तो वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट कीजिए आप कोई अच्छे ब्रांड के वाइट स्नीकर्स में, सो दैट they will last you for a long. So guys, the next thing you must invest in is a denim jacket, a classic blue denim jacket, so that you can style them in so many different ways. Denim jackets are in trend since so long, and it will in a trend for ever, like forever. You can style them in so many different ways, so I will suggest you to invest in a good denim jacket, especially the classic blue one. And if you like them, and if you like, you can experiment with the other colors as well, but I'll suggest you to buy a good classic blue denim jacket. So the next thing guys, you must invest in a good watch, like whatever your preference is. If you like the strappy one, then go for that, and if you like the chain ones, then go for that. According to me, you should have one strappy watch and one golden watch, so that it goes with each and everything. Like most of the things, these kind of watches will work out. On watches is a style statement as well. So guys, rather than purchasing multiple low quality watch, I will suggest you to buy a good quality watch. I will suggest you, if you don't have that much budget, you just purchase one watch which is of golden color, so that it will go with each and everything. So the next thing that you should invest in is a good pair of jeans. Like whatever is your preference, whatever is your style, it should be skinny, it may be a boyfriend jeans, it may be a bootcut jeans, straight fit jeans, but rather than going for the normal, you should invest in a good pair of bottom wear, so that you feel comfortable in that. I love Levi's jeans. So if you don't have the budget to buy the full price, you always wait for the sale. It will come for around 40 to 50% say when in a sale. Especially on Ajio, you will get the great deals in denim, especially in Levi's denim. So I will suggest you to buy a good pair of jeans, so that you feel comfortable. Let's be honest guys, those if we want the cheap ones, or it won't be that comfortable, and jeans must be comfortable. Like now we are not going out, but when we are used to go out, we mainly prefer wearing our jeans, so it should be of good quality. And when I purchase my Levi's jeans, and it will last around 3 to 4 years to me. So yeah, it worth the money. and whatever is your favorite brand, go for that. Whatever is your perfect fit, go for that. So guys, the next thing you should invest in is accessories. You should have golden hoops, and for traditional you should have jhumkas, so that they will go with each and everything. If you like jewelry, you can collect so much, but these two are essential, because golden hoops are never go out of fashion. You can style them with traditional and western as well, and jhumkas are always in trend with the traditional, and you can style them with the indo-western as well. So I will suggest you to buy a golden hoops and a pair of jhumka as well. And nowadays layered chains are also in trend, so if you want, you can go for them as well. So the next thing, guys, you should invest in a bag. Whatever is your liking, whatever your preference is. Like if you like bucket bag, go for that. If you like sling bag, backpacks, shoulder bags, whatever is your liking, you can go for that bag and invest in good quality bag as well, so that it will last you for long run. I personally like backpacks and the sling bags most, because they will hold so much. Like a backpack would hold so much, and I generally like the brand H&M for backpacks and many others. So H&M has a trendy and a low budget or mid range backpacks, so you can go for them as well. Best in is a perfume. Let's be honest, good smell is very important. Like smelling good is very important. So guys, invest in a good perfume as well. Sometimes, let's be honest, sometimes people will recognize you by your fragrance. Your fragrance is a signature fragrance. People say that, like, but you should have a good perfume as well with yourself. So invest in a good perfume. I won't suggest you to go for a higher brand. If you can surely go for a higher brand, but you can find good perfume under budget, like under 500 or under 1000 rupees. So yeah, invest in good perfume as well. So that's it for today's, guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys, see you in my next video. Bye.